How to make a loop video and CapCut tutorial. So all you have to do first is to go here to your CapCut application and it will look like this. We are aiming for this to create something like this, to create a loop video. Now, what you're gonna do here is to go here to your edit and then tap on new project. After clicking on the new project, you're gonna choose the video that you want to create a loop on and then add it up, and this is the whole duration of the video. So first things first is the best way for you to do that is to cut the precision of the introduction of the video, for example this one. So what we're gonna do is we can go here and then tap on edit here, click on edit and then tap on split. So the next thing that you're gonna do is to click on the first video, the intro video, and then tap on copy. So just swipe through here and look for copy and you will have 2 copies of that. Then all you have to do is to drag it up until the end and then to click on this and then swipe through again up until you see the word or the reverse option here. It will look like this. Now if you go through that, now it will look like this. For example, the intro video, the whole duration of video. Just wait for it. Here we have now successfully reversed it. Now it will, for example, you will create a loop now. We have now created a loop, so whenever it is played over and over again, it will just loop back to like this and will like this, and then it will now go back and then go back to the intro. And basically that is how you create a loop video on CapCut. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.